Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. I'm Emma. Today, I'm going to give you a tour of my living room. This is my living room. I spend a lot of time here. I like reading, watching TV, and relaxing in this room. Now, let me show you everything in my living room. Let's start with my sofa. This is my sofa. I like to sit here after work. Sometimes I read a book here, sometimes I watch TV. These are my cushions. They are soft and comfortable. I use them every day. They make my sofa feel even cozier. This is my coffee table. It's right in front of my sofa. I put my tea here. I also keep my books and magazines on the table. This is my TV. It's a smart TV. I like watching movies and TV shows here. Sometimes I watch the news too. This is my TV stand. It is made of wood. My TV is on the TV stand. I think it looks simple and beautiful. This is my remote control. I can turn the TV on, I can turn it off, I can change the channel, I can turn the volume up or down. Look over here! This is my plant. It's in the corner of my living room. I think it makes the room look fresh and beautiful. This is my window. I love the natural light. Every morning, I open the curtains. I enjoy looking outside. These are my curtains. I open them in the morning. I close them at night. They make my living room look warm and cozy. This is my floor lamp. I turn it on in the evening. It gives the room a warm light. I like reading beside this lamp.
This is my rug. It's soft and comfortable. It makes the living room feel warm. I really like it.
That's my living room. I hope you learned some new English words. Don't forget to practice these words every day. In our next video, we'll explore my kitchen and learn even more useful English.